Christy with Columbus Fifth Wheels. We're in Bunker Hill at RV Dynasty checking out the 375BH. This floor plan is a great bunkhouse if you are bringing extra people with you on your camping trip. We have tons of storage in here, plenty of sleeping space, and separate hangout areas so you guys can all split up. Theater seating with power and USB directly across from your entertainment TV, a nice large kitchen for all that meal prep. We've got a bedroom in the back here with a pull-out sofa, 3 bunks, and additional TV hookup. Plus, we're giving them their own bathroom back here and a separate entrance. The main bedroom and bathroom in the upper deck have Forest River patented 7-foot interior heights. We've got a 48-inch shower up here and a nice large king bed with additional storage underneath, washer dryer hookup, and a nice big closet. Come check this one out if you're in Central Indiana.